EMI. Sounds. Sounds of EMI. Hi, this is Kev Goldsby. Here we go again with some of the releasingest albums of the week. There's a time for everything, and this is the time to swing.
The most beautiful girl in the world picks my ties out, eats my candy, drinks my brandy. The most beautiful girl in the world. The most beautiful star in the world isn't Garbo, isn't Dietrich, but the sweet trick who can make me believe it's a beautiful world. Social, not a bit, natural kind of wits. She'd shine anywhere, and she hasn't got platinum hair. Most beautiful house in the world has a mortgage. What do I care? It's goodbye care when my slippers are next to the ones that belong to the one and only beautiful girl in the world. The most beautiful house in the world has a mortgage. What do I care? It's goodbye care when my slippers are next to the ones that belong to the one and only, one and only, one and only beautiful girl in the world.
Yeah, arrangements by Billy May and Jack Marshall with the Capitol Orchestra. Vic Damone swings his way this week through the lively ones.
Social, not a bit.
This is a good album. Good songs, great orchestra, and Vic Damone. Here's the lineup. It's Cherokee, Charmaine, Laura, Dearly Beloved, Little Girl, Ruby, and others.
The most beautiful house in the world has a mortgage. What do I care? It's goodbye care when my slippers are next to the ones that belong to the one and only beautiful girl in the world.
We've got some of the jazz sounds of the 1920s coming up in this edition of Sounds of EMI. This is Exotica. some lovely work. Another of the very successful Columbia 4-channel 35mm film recordings. That means that it's not originally recorded on magnetic tape, but on a magnetic film track, resulting in a great sound improvement. The music was by Ted Oletta and the orchestra. We played the track Adventures in Paradise. Every track is in this exotic Pacific Island mood. Yeah, great for the hi-fi. Exotica, released this week on Columbia Long Play. These are the sounds of EMI. And now to music of a very different nature, with the release this week of Volume 4 of Jazz Sounds of the 20s, subtitled Blues Singers and Accompanists. A real understatement when one reads the names featured. Louis Armstrong, King Oliver, Mamie Smith, Sidney Bechet, Johnny Dodds. They're all here. So listen to the voice now of Bertha Chippy Hill, and more particularly to the impeccable cornet of young Louis Armstrong. The Pratt City Blues, November 23rd, 1926. Bertha Chippy Hill and young Louis Armstrong. Pratt City Blues, Jazz Sounds of the 20s, Volume 4. It's an English parlophone LP, and I think for collectors of early blues and jazz, it makes available original tracks not available till now. It's a collector's item. Jazz Sounds of the 20s.
Just 'cause I use the car all night and I'm on the phone all day, now that's no reason for my dad to get mad and say,
Kids, what's the matter with kids?
yeah, kids, I don't know what's wrong with these kids today.
Here's a song we all know from a show we know and enjoyed. Bye Bye Birdie, and Bobby Rydell releases his album of songs from the show this week. Let's spin a great one from Bye Bye Birdie and Bobby Rydell.
There are chicks just right for some kissing, and I mean to kiss me a few. Now all those chicks don't know what they're missing. I've got a lot of living to do, and there's wine already for tasting, and there's a Cadillacs all shiny and new. Now I've got to move, 'cause time is wasting. Yeah, there's such a lot of living to do. Now there is music to play, places to go, and people to see. Everything for you and me. Life's a ball, so you better not blow it. And it's all just waiting for you. Now you're alive, so come on and show it. Yeah, that's such a lot of living to do. Yeah. That's such a lot of living to do. Now there is music to play and places to go and people to see. Ooh, everything for you and me. Now life's a gas, so you better not blow it. And it's all just waiting for you. Now you're alive, so come on and show it. Ooh, there's such a lot of living, such a lot of living, yeah, such a lot of living to do. Yeah.
From Bye Bye Birdie, that was Bobby Rydell, who stars in the film version of the Broadway show. And it's his new Columbia album of Bye Bye Birdie songs. It's released this week. And that's all for now. Kev Goldsby, Sounds of EMI.